All right, the Winterblade Empire, definitely one of the most underrated knives on the market. I know it might sound ridiculous because of all the attention it got for its duality, capability of being both auto and manual, but I'm telling you, this knife is underrated, and here's why. First, of course, the auto switch. The action is so smooth, I can actually open this with all 5 fingers. The ergonomics are just spot on. Just an incredible knife all around. And it happens to be sharp as hell.